Hello everybody and welcome back to the Crown Lounge. So what we got going on today is a Necromancer. Nothing like dark, like some dark wizard or some craziness, right? So this is actually a play on the corpse revivers that I've previously done. So this is in the same area of that. So first thing first, we're going to start off with 3/4 of an ounce of some absinthe. Just 3/4. This is probably the most I've added of absinthe in a cocktail. So 3/4 of an ounce, because typically we just do like little rinses or whatever. So we're going to add another 3/4 of an ounce of some elderflower. So we're going to add another 3/4 of an ounce of some elderflower liqueur, and this is the bottom of the barrel, so this should end it. There, bam. Next, we're going to go 3/4 of an ounce of the Lillet Blanc. Then we're going to go 3/4 of an ounce of some lemon juice. Freshly squeezed. This was the weird one, but I'm going to go just a dash of dry gin. Just a dash. Probably put more on the counter. Give this a little quick mix. You can smell that absinthe. All right, add a little ice. Give this another swirl. Got a coupe glass. So a lot of these recipes always call for chill coupe glasses, right? So if you was at home and you're making these for yourself, yeah, you probably should chill it. But if you're just sitting back and you're going to be making a bunch of drinks and you don't want to do dishes, just do one glass and keep making your drinks in there and don't worry about if it's chilled or not. And there you go, a Necromancer. So it's supposed to be similar to a corpse reviver. Let's see. I was wondering about the absinthe, right? It gives you that a little faint, little licorice, but this is, you know, with the sour stuff going on, like it pairs exceptionally well together. Way more than I was going to believe it was going to work, but it works. It actually works pretty well. Anywho, do not forget to like, follow, and share. Till next time, cheers.